Whereas Gullah Geechee people are descendants of enslaved Africans from various ethnic groups brought to the United States to work on the plantations of coastal South Carolina, Georgia, North Carolina, and Florida. And whereas in the 18th century, Georgetown County, the third oldest county in South Carolina, became the locale of some of the richest plantations in the South, which were linked to specific West African ethnic groups known as Gullah Geechee. And whereas the Gullah Geechee culture has had a powerful impact on the low country of South Carolina, including Georgetown County and the Pawleys Island area, and these influences have helped in defining our culture and lifestyle. And whereas in 2006 the United States Congress established the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Corridor, and this, along with the efforts of others, including Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, has increased awareness of this unique culture and rich history. And whereas Georgetown County Council recognizes the importance of preserving, celebrating, and sharing the rich history of cultural traditions the Gullah Geechee have brought to our area, including traditions of art, food, music, and a system of spiritual beliefs. Now, therefore, be it proclaimed, the Georgetown County Council does hereby celebrate 2018 Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, which will be launched on July the 28th, 2018, and encourages the citizens of Georgetown County to participate in activities aimed at increasing both knowledge and appreciation of this rich culture. So shall it be, the 24th day of July, 2018. Signed by Austin Beard, Vice Chairman, Georgetown County Council.